Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, click on the square button over here and tap at the top left corner on floating windows. After that, select one of your apps like Play Store, and as you can see, now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to use it overlay other app, just tap on the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to use this window somewhere else, you can always click on it, then hold this line at the top and drag it wherever you wish to. If you wish to make it small, click Home button, then to make it big again, click on the window. If you wish to close it, click on the square button over here and close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!